case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The legal proceedings revolved around Saltany v. Bush, a memorable case from 1992 which was heard in the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. The central point of this dispute was the applicability of the law of the case doctrine, positing that prior decisions are immune to challenge, along with an emphasis on the utilization of Rule 11 and Rule 38 sanctions in penalizing the parties involved. The case was initially brought into light due to the controversial employment of sanctions by the district court. A contentious point was the Rule 11 and Rule 38 sanctions, which were directed by a previous panel. The law of the case doctrine, however, rendered this direct challenge moot, sparking a series of disagreements and appeals. This injunction was predicated on a prior ruling, deducing a Rule 11 violation, voiding any grounds for a reconsideration of the previously reached conclusion. Adding further fuel to the litigatory fire, references were made to the Cooter and Gell v. Hartmarks Corp. case, underscoring that once a violation is discovered, sanctions are required. In light of this, the court ruled that the district court's decision to administer a fine, as opposed to a non-monetary punishment, was indeed a reasonable proposition. After a tumultuous set of appeals and counter-arguments, the Court of Appeals upheld the district court's penalties and the affiliated decision. In anticipation of potential rehearing requests, the clerk held off for 7 days before reaching their final decision. Notwithstanding a dissenting statement put forth by Circuit Judge Wald, the initial ruling remained unaltered, marking a pivotal moment in the legal narrative of Saltany v. Bush.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.